Your girl's breaking out bad. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. So today, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to show y'all how to cover up some acne without using foundation because it's summertime. Who wants to have gloppy foundation all over their face the whole entire day, especially when it's hot? But if you're breaking out, you might not have much of a choice. So now you're getting a choice, and I'm going to show you a great concealer to use for when you're breaking out that you don't have to use foundation with. Also, one thing I didn't show in this video, because I went and did the rest of my makeup, was setting spray. I used the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below with the other products I used. If you put that over top of all of your makeup, it's just going to help it stay all day long, so you're not like sweating off your concealer and stuff like that throughout the day, and then your pimples are showing back up again. So that's really good for that. And if you're interested in seeing how I got my look and covered up all of my acne today, go ahead and just keep watching this video. Okay, so our first step here is we are starting out with the Pore Professional face primer from Too Faced, and I just really like this. It smooths out my skin for having dry skin. I take about a pea-sized amount on my hands after I've already put on my lotion, and it's just really hydrating and smooths everything out. If you have large pores, it also helps with that. So I'm just putting it all over my face to prep my face to help cover up the acne. And then I'm all done. So now step 2, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer is honestly a lifesaver, guys. It is so amazing. And it is a little bit higher price, but you need like not even a ton of it, so I'm putting it all over my acne spots and my dark circles because your girl never gets enough sleep. And this just is really pigmented, and it's going to help cover up any imperfections and also any dark circles. And it's just always been a lifesaver for me, and I highly recommend this concealer versus other high-end concealers and also versus other drugstore concealers. This is just one of my favorite ones I've found. So now that I look like an Aztec person with face painted, I am just taking my ring finger because that's the finger that applies the least amount of pressure, and I am blending in all of my concealer in all the different areas until I am satisfied with how it looks. And if I ever don't cover something completely, I just go back in with another layer of concealer, but this time one spot of concealer did fine. Now step 3, we are taking our setting powder, and I used the Airspun setting powder. This is from Walmart, and it's honestly a dupe for the Laura Mercier powder, and it's so much cheaper. So I just take a little bit of this and I put it into the top, and it's a translucent powder. It's just going to keep the shine away and keep you from sweating off like your concealer and keep it in place all day. So I set everywhere that I put concealer, so under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. I also put it kind of like places that are going to get shiny, and I just put it all over there, and then I let it bake for a little while. I sit and let it bake, and then I take my brush and I just blend it in kind of all over my face just to give it a little bit of powdery coverage, help make everything not shiny for summertime. And that's about all I do for that, to just keep everything in place, make sure my acne stay covered up all day, and I'm pretty happy because where'd the acne go? Let's zoom in. Don't mind my dry flakes on my nose because I was peeling from being sunburnt, but my acne's all covered up, so that's a plus. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love your support, and it would mean the world to me. Also, if you, comment future video requests down below, along with your favorite concealer for covering up pimples. Do you have any better ones than the one that I just showed you? If you do, comment them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!